was watching your stream while streaming. Oh, cool. Hi, Mama Benji. Got Mama Benji Fishy watching me aim train. We love that. We love that. I was watching Mama Benji play. She was playing some ranked earlier. Came to say hi. Oh, I appreciate that, Hugo. I hope you're having a lovely day today. She's getting tea as usual. Ah, yes. An absolute queen for doing so. Tea is so good. I've like begun to switch to having tea just as much as I'm having coffee now. So you know I'm becoming a proper like England citizen, if you will. South Africa, Jason. Wow. Oh, you're UK too. Yeah, yeah. It's so nice to be like meeting some more UK streamers. It's amazing. Yeah. You're in Canada, Clouds? Thou queen. You're in Florida, Stadio? Cool. Okay, okay. So then you're over in NA. Yeah, the game was glitching a little bit, but it's okay. No work today, so I'm catching up on chat. I'm scrolling up. Abby says, no work today. Amazing. Oh, no work? We love that for you. No, you're beautiful. Shush. You're heading to work, Steady? Oh, okay. Have a lovely day. Oh, wow. 2 years is crazy, Steady, for followage. That's wild. Oh my gosh. Did you do triple edits? I have not done my triple edits yet. Guys, I was doing so many triple edits yesterday. I feel like my eyes are wonky from triple edits. I don't think I can do them. Like, I've been doing so many. Oh, you can't build higher than that here. Okay, we'll go to free building in a bit. I'm still doing my aim warm-up. I literally just got torn. Good afternoon, Heimdall. Welcome in. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Alright, shotgun. The reticle on their head, guys. Crack them out. Solo ranked cup later today. You're gonna need to be hitting those shots. This one's good, but I really like the ones over there that I get to do at the end. The barriers. How am I doing? You doing good? Just ending your work day, so can't complain. Oh, lovely. Oh gosh, I should not be down here. Let's me up. Cannot build right now. Yeah, I'm no kidding. Just fell down into the pit. Just like shockwaving around and stuff. Can't get a game in any mode right now? Really? I wonder why. I'm doing good though today, Heimdall. Thank you. Solo Cup. I'm also really excited for the squad's OG Cup coming up on Sunday. It's gonna be fun. With channel points for 1v1 duo / squads? Channel points. You mean like play with viewers? Yeah. Honestly, it's a good idea. Alright, let's see if we can do this one. This one is the hardest one on this entire map, in my opinion. Or at least for me, it's the hardest. Okay.
Is, by the way, that new game's come out. Ballistic. Is Scopes playing it?
He's rezzing, man. Get him. He's rezzing.
Oh, no.
Rezzing, man.
So I'm just gonna land up here and just beam from far.
I thought he might be playing it. Matchmaking issues in Ballistic. Matchmaking is currently experiencing issues and we're working to resolve them. Oh, okay. Few teething problems. Oh, yeah, on here. Had a problem this morning with that. Hey Lou, how are you doing? We've been grinding ranked for the last 3.5 hours. Top 8, low health, dealing storm gives me 4%. That's what we're working on. How did your games end up going? I saw a little bit of them. Oh, what, on Ballistic, you mean?